Hi, welcome back. In part one, we covered the idea of the cell and the mitochondria being the energy production center of the cell, how the cell has a polarity and therefore a potential, energy potential, how the cell has an intelligence to be a brain cell or a liver cell or any other cell, a kidney cell, and how AAPT energy combined with intelligence may be what is referred to as the chi energy, energy intelligence, electricity, intelligent electricity, all of that. And we touched on the acupuncture point being a concentration of cells with a higher energy potential. Some of my colleagues also say that it could be the opposite, where the acupuncture point is an empty point, where there is lack of energy potential. But the theory is the same from an acupuncture perspective. The needle manipulates the point to either regulate it, increase the chi, reduce the chi, has an effect on the body. Now, in this video, what I want to add is the idea of motivation and nurturing. So, in terms of motivation, let's say our brain, not let's say, but our brain is, in fact, connected to our body, and therefore our brain is connected to our acupuncture points and channels. Now, when the brain does exercise, it can either regulate the chi, increase the chi, or decrease the chi. And that's why exercise is good. We can also allude to the fact that things such as meditation and Tai Chi can provide more focus and therefore have a bigger impact, whether it's regulating, increasing, or decreasing the chi. So that's motivation, mainly involving the mind. From a nurturing perspective, and this is where we relate nurturing to the idea of epigenetics. Nurturing is the idea of conditioning the mind and body over time such that in regard to your DNA, you can suppress or express certain genes, whether it's a gene to make you healthier or a gene to make you sicker. So the idea is everyone has good parts of the genes and bad parts of the genes, and through conditioning of the body and the mind, to a large extent, we can control which genes are expressed and which genes are suppressed. And that's where perhaps the idea of exercise, as well as meditation, Tai Chi, yoga, all of that, can work with both the idea of motivation and nurturing to help the body be optimal in homeostasis or perform at its best. So that's another perspective. I hope that was helpful or insightful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.